Let's create solid body from this STL file. Click and Restyle button. Click in Patches button to create patches. Click Resolution button to create quality of surface. We have just created a surface body of our STL. Save this file and create an assembly file. Assemble our STL into assembly. Create a part into this assembly to copy created surface. Activate this file and copy the surface we have just created from STL. Solidify surface to get a solid body. As you see, we have successfully created solid body from STL.